Most websites only show you what the developer wants you to see, but that doesn't mean that's all the website has. In fact, many websites have hidden directories and files that aren't linked anywhere. Things like admin panels, backup folders, development page, basically the stuff developers hope nobody finds. And today, I'm going to show you how hackers discovered those hidden files. Don't worry, we're doing this in a safe lab environment using TryHackMe, and you should always do it on a safe environment. So I have deployed a machine from TryHackMe, and this is the IP address it gave me. Let's go to our Kali. We'll open the browser and we'll open the site. Okay, so it shows unfortunately Tools RUS is down for upgrades. The other part of the website is still functional. Cool. First thing we want is to always check for the source code using the inspect element, but I don't think there's anything there. So that's a nice homepage. It looks innocent. Doesn't mean the rest of the server is. It's like a house. Just because the front door looks normal doesn't mean there aren't a bunch of other rooms inside. And we have been hinted by the room itself that the other parts of the website is still functional. So these there must be some hidden paths in the website, and they might not be linked anywhere on the website, but we can use tools like GoBuster, which takes a list of possible directory names and called the word list, and it checks each one against the website. Let's use GoBuster. And the IP address. All right, let's run the scan. So what GoBuster is doing right now is it's using this word list, which has um, a list of possible directories that may exist on this website, and it's going through each one of them and giving us the results here. Let's let it run for some time. So far we have the guidelines, which shows us the status 301, which means it is a redirected page. Let's try to open this up. We have a secret message here. Cool. And we also have status 401, which means um, not reachable. I'm not very sure what that means. Let's check it out. Yeah, it means a web request failed because it lacked valid authentication credentials. All right. Okay, so we'll end this scan here. There's one more thing I want to discuss. It's that how we can also search for a specific file type. For example, backups file or configuration files. For that, we'll use the same command and we'll add the dash X and we'll mention all the extensions that we want to discover. For example, we would want a PHP file or a text file or a zip file. So let's run this. So as we can see, we added these extensions. So what this will do is that it will find out any file that ends with these extensions. Alright, so that's how hackers discover hidden files and directories on a website. It's a simple technique called directory enumeration, but it's extremely powerful, and tools like GoBuster make the process fast and automated. If you're interested in learning more about cybersecurity and practicing in lab environment, so you can definitely try HackMe. It's a great place to start. If you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing for more cybersecurity and ethical hacking content, and make sure to like this one.